Hello students, welcome to our third session, which is titled Types of Transport and Accommodation. Are you ready? Let's start. So, the objective for today's class are to identify the different types of transport and to talk about accommodation. Topics. Here we have two topics. Type of tickets and accommodation facilities. Type of tickets. Here we have some information about that. Remember that the information that I presented here you have in your personal material, right? Okay. Air travel is a fast way of traveling both for domestic and international journeys. Some airlines companies operate scheduled flights when takeoff and landing are at major airports in major cities. Because departure and arrival times are regular and guaranteed, tickets can be expensive. Alternatively, there are cheap charter flights when a travel company buys all the seats on a plane and sells at a discounted price. Charter airlines and low-cost scheduled airlines often operate from more accessible local airports and fly direct to holiday resorts, particularly in peak seasons. You usually need to buy tickets in advance. It is also possible to buy round-the-world tickets where you stopped off at different global destinations. There is a limit to how much luggage passengers can carry, and it takes time to check in for flights due to security checks. Nowadays, many people try to avoid taking too many flights because they aren't good for the environment. Number 2. Sea travel can be a clean alternative to air travel. Ferries operate from one mainland destination to another or between islands, departing and arriving at major ports. You can often take your car or ferries, and there are no limits on the luggage you can carry. Journeys are long compared to flights, and they can be quite expensive, especially if you sleep in a cabin overnight. You can buy tickets directly for the ferry companies or through tour operators, usually in advance. You can also take a luxury cruise, but they are generally quite expensive. All-inclusive packages. The next one, rail travel, also has a low environmental impact and is a very flexible and convenient mode of transport because you can buy tickets in advance or you just turn up at the station. Price varies a lot according to distance and destination. Luggage allowance is limited on trains, but on long-distance trips you can book a bed to sleep in, called a berth. There are also young persons rail passes for traveling around Europe, and many countries have cheap or subsidized rail travel. And the last one, road travel can be by car or by coach, but neither is very environmental friendly. Car travel is very convenient because you can choose your own departure and arrival points and times, and take as much luggage as your vehicle can carry. The cost is generally low apart from fuel and any tolls, but travel time can be long. Alternatively, you can arrive at your destination and hire a car on arrival, but this can be expensive. Coaches like trains follow timetables, and you need to buy tickets in advance to be sure of a seat. Journeys can be slow and arrival times are unpredictable because of traffic. They are, however, cheap and convenient, with stops at both major and minor destinations. So you see, here we have the information about different types of tickets. We have 4 means of transport: air, sea, rail, and road travel. Accommodation facilities. Here we have another text. Remember that you have to do it with your book. And here we have the information. So this is the information about accommodation facilities. What are you supposed to do here? I want you to read very carefully, and you have to find the name of the right accommodation facility for each picture. Here you need to complete with the right name. Okay? This is homework. And to conclude today, our mini lesson, the first conclusion is that there are different ways of transport like air, sea, rail, and road travel. The second one is that the difference between hotel and motel is that motels don't always provide meals as hotels do. And the last one, the kind of facilities and services available to you on holidays varies greatly according to your choice of accommodation. And that's all for our third lesson. Thank you very much for being here, and see you next class. If you have any doubts, remember that you can write to me in order to help you. Thank you